Welcome to my channel. I want to show you top 10 light combat aircraft. Number 10. National Origin Brazil A29 Tucano. Length 11.33 meter, weight 3,020 kilograms, max speed 593 kilometers, range 3,056 kilometers. Number 9. AT-6 Wolverine National Origin United States. Length 10.16 meter, weight 2,670 kilograms, max speed 827 kilometers per hour, range of 3,195. Number 8. L-39 National Origin Czech Republic. Length 12.32 meter, weight 3,330 kilograms, max speed 780 kilometers per hour, range 2,130 kilometers. Number 7. Yakovlev Yak-130 National Origin Russia. Length 11.5 meter, weight 4,600 kilograms, max speed 1,060 kilometers per hour, range 2,100 kilometers. Number 6. L-159 Alcon National Origin Czech Republic. Length 12.72 meter, weight 4,350 kilograms, max speed 936 kilometers per hour, range 2,530 kilometers. Number 5. Hongdu L-15 National Origin China. Length 12.27 meter, weight 4,500 kilograms, max speed 1,715 kilometers per hour, range 310. Number 4. Meters to 346 Fan National Origin Italy. Length 11.5 meter, weight 4,600 kilograms, max speed 1,075 kilometers per hour, range 2,722 kilometers. Number 3. HAL Tejas National Origin India. Length 13.2 meter, weight 6,550 kilograms, max speed 1,975 kilometers per hour, range 3,000 kilometers. Number 2. Textron Airlines Scorpion National Origin United States. Length 13.26 meter, weight 5,350 kilograms, max speed 883 kilometers per hour, range 4,074 km. Number 1. KT A-50 National Origin South Korea. Length 12.98 meter, weight 6,441 kilograms, max speed 1,850 kilometers per hour, range 1,850 kilometers. Thank you for watching.